Welcome to the Netherlands, a country where the land meets the sea in a dance of harmony and ingenuity. It's a land pulled from the sea, where human innovation has turned water into land. The Dutch have mastered the art of reclaiming land from the sea, creating a unique landscape that is both functional and beautiful. This is a place that shows how clever people can be, and how beautiful nature is. The Dutch countryside is a testament to the harmonious coexistence of human ingenuity and natural beauty. Here, windmills stand tall against the sky, their big arms telling stories of long ago. These iconic structures are not just picturesque, they are a symbol of the Dutch spirit of innovation and resilience. We'll travel through bright fields of tulips, millions of them in reds, yellows, and blues. These vibrant fields are a feast for the eyes and a symbol of the Netherlands' rich agricultural heritage. We'll float down peaceful canals, the heart of old cities, and see how old charm mixes with new ideas. The canals of Amsterdam are not just waterways, they are the lifeblood of the city, connecting its past with its present. From busy flower markets to quiet national parks, we'll see the Netherlands in a new way. The bustling flower markets are a riot of colors and scents, while the serene national parks offer a tranquil escape into nature. Come with me on this adventure, a close-up look at a country loved by many. We'll explore the hidden gems and well-known landmarks that make the Netherlands a unique and beloved destination. Get ready to be amazed by the Netherlands' special feel, a mix of nature's art and what people have made. This journey will reveal the intricate tapestry of Dutch life, where every thread tells a story of creativity, resilience, and beauty. We'll visit traditional cheese markets, where age-old practices meet modern tastes, and explore charming Dutch houses that have stood the test of time. We'll ride along scenic bike paths, a testament to the Netherlands' commitment to sustainability, and witness the modern wind farms that continue the legacy of harnessing the wind's power. We'll step into world-renowned art museums, where the works of Dutch masters like Rembrandt and Van Gogh come to life, showcasing the country's rich cultural heritage. We'll experience the vibrant festivals where traditional costumes and lively music bring communities together in celebration. And of course, we'll savor the flavors of Dutch cuisine, from hearty stews to sweet stroopwafels, each dish telling a story of the land and its people. As the sun sets over the Dutch beaches, we'll reflect on the day's journey, appreciating the blend of natural beauty and human achievement that defines the Netherlands. Join me as we uncover the magic of the Netherlands, a place where every corner holds a story, and every story is a testament to the enduring spirit of its people. Amsterdam, the exciting capital of the Netherlands, is a city like no other. Known for its artistic heritage, elaborate canal system and narrow houses with gabled facades, it's a place where history and modernity blend seamlessly. This city is built on water, a unique feature that has shaped its culture, architecture, and way of life for centuries. The canals are not just waterways, they are the veins that bring life to the city. The Grachtengordel, or Canal Belt, is so special that it has earned a place on the UNESCO World Heritage List. This intricate network of canals was constructed during the Dutch Golden Age in the 17th century, and remains a marvel of urban planning and engineering. These canals tell the story of Amsterdam's rich maritime history. They were once bustling with ships and boats carrying goods from all over the world. The city was a major hub in the global trade network, and its prosperity was closely tied to these liquid highways. Built way back in the 1600s, these waterways were once the busy roads of a big trade network. Merchants from different parts of the world would navigate these canals, bringing spices, textiles, and other valuable goods to the city. Today, the canals offer a peaceful way to see the city, away from the busy streets. They provide a serene escape where you can float along, taking in the sights and sounds of Amsterdam at a leisurely pace. Imagine floating along these watery paths, the boat gently rocking like a lullaby. The gentle movement of the water and the soft sounds of the city create a calming atmosphere, perfect for relaxation and reflection. Old houses, hundreds of years old, reflect in the water, their funny-shaped tops whispering secrets of long ago. These buildings, with their unique architecture, tell stories of the past and the people who lived in them. As you travel along these water roads, look closely at the canal houses. Each one has its own character and charm, with intricate details that make them stand out. Each house is different, with fancy decorations, big windows, and stair-like roofs. These architectural features are not just for show, they reflect the wealth and status of the original owners. They tell of a rich past and a city that has always lived with the water. The The canals are a testament to Amsterdam's resilience and ingenuity, a reminder of how the city has adapted to its unique environment over the centuries. Today, the canals are not just historical relics, they are vibrant parts of the city's daily life. Locals and tourists alike enjoy the many cafes, shops, and cultural events that line the waterways. At night, the canals transform into a magical scene, with lights reflecting off the water and illuminated bridges creating a fairy tale atmosphere. It's a sight that captures the heart and soul of Amsterdam. The canals are also a favorite route for cyclists, offering scenic paths that wind through the city. Cycling along the canals is a quintessential Amsterdam experience, combining the city's love for bikes with its iconic waterways. Guided canal tours are a popular way to explore Amsterdam, providing insights into the city's history, architecture, and culture. These tours offer a unique perspective, allowing you to see the city from the water. Throughout the year, the canals host various events and festivals, such as the Amsterdam Light Festival, where stunning light installations illuminate the waterways. These events bring the canals to life, showcasing their beauty and importance to the city. Whether you're a local or a visitor, the canals of Amsterdam offer something for everyone. They are a place of beauty, history, and community, where the past and present come together in perfect harmony. As the sun sets over the canals, the city takes on a tranquil, almost magical quality. The water glistens in the fading light, and the reflections of the buildings create a picturesque scene that is truly unforgettable. There's something truly special about experiencing Amsterdam from the water, especially as the day comes to a close. It's a moment of peace and reflection, a chance to connect with the city's unique spirit. The canals of Amsterdam are more than just waterways. They are the lifeblood of the city, a symbol of its history, culture, and enduring charm. They invite you to explore, to dream, and to fall in love with this extraordinary city. Not far from Amsterdam, something amazing awaits. Just a short drive away, you'll find a place that seems almost magical, a place where nature's beauty is on full display. Keukenhof Gardens, often referred to as the Garden of Europe, is a flower wonderland that bursts with color every spring. This garden is not just a place, it's an experience, a celebration of nature's most vibrant hues. Over 7 million tulips, daffodils, and hyacinths turn the land into a beautiful blanket, their bright colors showing off nature's art. Each flower is like a brushstroke on a vast canvas, creating a masterpiece that changes with the light and the seasons. Imagine walking through this flower paradise, the air filled with sweet smells. Every step you take is accompanied by the gentle rustle of leaves and the soft hum of bees. It's a sensory journey that captivates your heart and soul. Each garden in Keukenhof tells a story, a mix of colors and scents that make you happy. From the romantic rose garden to the exotic orchid pavilion, every corner of Keukenhof is designed to evoke emotions and create lasting memories. From the simple beauty of the Dutch tulip gardens to the exciting Japanese garden, there's something for everyone. The Japanese garden, with its delicate cherry blossoms and serene ponds, offers a tranquil escape, while the Dutch tulip garden dazzles with its bold and bright colors. Keukenhof is huge. Rows and rows of tulips go on forever, their petals opening in the sun. It's a sight that seems to stretch to the horizon, a never-ending sea of color that invites you to lose yourself in its beauty. Bees buzz around, loving the sweet nectar, and the wind carries the smell of hyacinths, a strong and lovely perfume. The gardens are alive with the sounds and scents of nature, creating a symphony that plays in perfect harmony with the vibrant visuals. Families and friends gather here, sharing laughter and creating memories. Children run through the fields, their joy as boundless as the flowers that surround them. It's a place where generations come together, united by the simple pleasure of nature's beauty. As the day comes to an end, the gardens take on a new life. The setting sun casts a golden glow over the flowers, and the sky becomes a canvas of pinks, purples, and oranges. It's a breathtaking finale to a day spent in paradise. Even as night falls, Keukenhof remains enchanting. The gardens are softly illuminated and the flowers seem to glow under the moonlight. It's a magical sight, one that leaves a lasting impression on all who visit. Whether you visit in the early morning, when the dew still clings to the petals, or in the evening when the gardens are bathed in twilight, Keukenhof offers a unique and unforgettable experience. It's a true symphony of color, a celebration of nature's most beautiful creations. A short trip north of Amsterdam brings us to the Zaanse Schans, a living, breathing piece of Holland's busy past. Here, time slows down, moving to the rhythm of windmill sails and the water against the riverbank. The Zaanse Schans isn't just an outdoor museum, it's a real town where people live and work in old buildings, keeping traditions alive. As we walk on the cobblestone paths, we smell fresh bread and wood being cut. The windmills, once super important to the Dutch, stand tall, their sails creaking as they catch the wind. These big structures, each with its own job, were used for grinding spices, cutting wood, and even making paint. Next, we go to Rotterdam, a city that shows how strong and new-thinking people can be. Instead of Amsterdam's canals and old buildings, Rotterdam has a modern skyline, showing how it bounced back after World War II. Rotterdam rebuilt itself with cool new buildings and designs. Tall skyscrapers reach the clouds, their glass sides reflecting the sky. The cube houses, or kubuswoningen, are a great example of the city's unusual style. Designed by Piet Blom, these bright yellow tilted cubes on top of poles make us think differently about what a house can be. Now we head to The Hague, a city full of history and important to the world. Called the International City of Peace and Justice, The Hague is home to the Dutch government and the International Court of Justice. In the middle of the city is the Binnenhof, a group of old buildings that have been the center of Dutch politics for a long time. It started in the 1200s, and its walls have seen many important moments in Dutch history. The Ridderzaal, or Knight's Hall, is the main building of the Binnenhof. This big medieval hall, with its big wooden beams and high ceilings, is where the Dutch king or queen gives a speech every year, telling everyone the government's plans. We're off to Utrecht, a historic city where the past whispers through its old streets and tall buildings. The Dom Tower, a huge building, stands tall, showing how clever builders were long ago. Finished in the 1300s, the Dom Tower isn't just a church tower, it's a symbol of Utrecht's strength. It's over 367 feet tall and has amazed people for centuries. We'll climb it, just like many others have, hoping for amazing views and a peek into the tower's past. Each step takes us back in time, letting us feel history in the old stones. We're going somewhere special, a village that seems lost in time. This is Giethoorn, sometimes called the Dutch Venice, where there are no cars, only the quiet sounds of water against boats. Here, it's peaceful and quiet, unlike most places today. Instead of roads, canals flow through the village, reflecting the pretty houses and gardens. Life in Giethoorn is slower, following nature's rhythm and the flow of the canals. People use traditional boats, moving smoothly through the water like ducks. The Netherlands is known for its towns and canals, but its nature is beautiful too. We're going to Hoge Veluwe National Park, a big area of heathland, forests and sand dunes, a quiet escape from city life. Here, among the tall trees and hills, it's very peaceful. We hear leaves rustling, birds chirping, and maybe a deer calling. Hoge Veluwe is home to many plants and animals, showing how the Netherlands cares for nature. Riding a bike is a great way to see the park. As we ride through forests and across open areas, we see new and beautiful views. We're in Haarlem, a city full of history and life, with the big St. Bavo Church watching over it. The Grote Markt, Haarlem's main square, is the heart of the city. It's where the past meets the present. Around the square are many different kinds of buildings, showing the city's interesting past. Guild halls, where important merchants used to meet, remind us of Haarlem's history of trade. We're going north to the IJsselmeer, a big inland sea, to visit the fishing villages of Volendam and Marken. Volendam, with its pretty harbor, has always attracted artists and photographers. Here, old fishing traditions are still part of life. The air smells like the sea, and seagulls cry overhead. The sounds of boats and fishermen create a special atmosphere. From the tulip fields to the quiet canals, from the windmills to the busy city squares, the Netherlands has shown us its treasures. We hope you want to see this amazing country for yourself. walk through its villages, ride bikes along its paths, and see its natural beauty. Thanks for joining us. Like, share, and subscribe for more travel videos. See you next time. Keep exploring.